This is Gerald IT online class. My name still remains Gerald Ntionka. I am an instructor and IT analyst. Today, I'm going to teach on computer output devices. Let's dive into it. All the information that is being input, processed, and stored on a computer is useless unless there is a way to access and view it. This is done by using an output device. Now the question is, what is an output device? An output device is any device that receives data from a computer and outputs it in a physical medium. The most common output device is a monitor. Monitors visually depict the data that is processed by the CPU, whether it is numbers being calculated in a spreadsheet or aliens running around in a video game. A monitor displays a visual representation of the information being processed. Another very common output device is a printer. Printers take information that is processed by the CPU and print it on a piece of paper. There are more than just visual output devices. Another output device is a sound card. Sound cards take digital information and output it as audible signals. Almost all computers have some sort of audio output device. Please subscribe and comment.